Hi friends and gossip lovers, welcome to my channel today. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell beside it to get updated when we have a new video. Straight to the video for today.
Dubai police have once again solved yet another case involving an international online scammer known as Raymond Abbas, but who goes by Hush Puppy on social media platforms.
Subash, let's go. Alright, Abdul.
In less than just 4 months, Dubai's police force was able to solve the new operation dubbed Fox Hunt 2, where 12 other gang members were also arrested.
See you.
Six raids were carried out simultaneously while the suspects were sleeping in their Dubai residences. After months of investigating and hours of monitoring the gang's social media accounts, a team of highly trained Dubai police officers were able to confirm the gang's whereabouts and fraudulent activities. The Nigerian Instagram celebrity, who was arrested on multiple fraud charges for crimes committed in different parts of the world, boasted about his wealth and expensive possessions on social media, claiming he is a successful businessman. Little did Abbas know, Dubai e-police teams were tracking his every move and taking note of all his social media activities. Dubai police have also found that the gang specialised in hacking corporate emails and sending fake messages to clients in order to redirect financial transfers and people's bank details to their own accounts. Hush Puppy and his team of scammers were known for creating fake pages for existing websites in order to redirect victims' payments to their own accounts. Before their arrest, Abbas and his crew members were responsible for scams amounting to 1.6 billion dirhams. In the operation, police officers were also able to seize items worth more than 150 million dirhams. After they claimed 21 computers, 47 smartphones, 15 storage memory devices, and 5 hard disks containing data, 1,926,400 victims. Additionally, 13 luxury cars worth 25 million dirhams were bought by Hush Puppy and his gang, using the money stolen from people who have been scammed. Once again, Dubai's police force has to protecting millions of people both locally and around the world from such malicious crimes. It has also reiterated that it will continue to bring all cyber criminals to justice.
I don't know these guys' real names, but they're going to get it to me by this afternoon. The feds will know it. Effie Martin and Tony Romer are nicknames. They're all hush puppy guys. All taken. Their own is a $35 million BEC scam. Okay, business email compromise. The money they stole, the $35 million, belongs to the United States government for COVID-19 kits. The COVID-19 kits are going to be used to test people. So they hacked into their system or went through an email scam, and whoever's running that system thought it was maybe Nigeria or another country asking for COVID kits to buy. They fell for it, they logged in, and they stole their password. The same way OBOKK did Invictus Guy, as well as the 80 Nigerians. Nigerians have been doing BEC scams for a long time, so they hacked in, as well as the 80 Nigerians. Nigerians have been doing BEC scams for a long time, so they hacked in and they stole $35 million. That's $35 million. Somebody change that for me. $35 million should be hitting about 4 trillion naira. So they were rich. So all those Rolls Royce and cars you saw them buying, yeah, they bought it all right. They were not audio cars. They bought them. Like I said, 2 days.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.